Hi, I'm Kenny from ATEN. I'm the product marketeer right now. ATEN is a KVM manufacturer that's also recently more invested in rAVe. Here at ISE we present to you multiple integrated solutions. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about our AV signal distribution. Here you can see our big matrix switch. It's a 32 by 32 modular matrix switch. Which can handle up to 4K content. It has multiple input ports based on HDBaseT, HDMI, DVI, SDI, you name it, we will have the input board ready here for this one, this model right here. It's also capable to, as you can see here, to create stunning video walls. This is a small 2x2, but of course you can go bigger. You can add multiple single screens as well, as you can see over there. That's one of our biggest models we have available for video matrix switches. Over here we also have a new model that's coming to the market very soon. It's a 4x4 matrix switch, which is true 4K equipped. True 4K means you have 4K at 60 Hz at 444 chroma sampling. So basically, yeah, there's a model that's coming very soon to our market. With this product also I want to end my speech about this one. For more information you can always visit www.aten.com. So thank you and have a nice evening.